it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and in this tutorial you're going to learn how to create this flat column. There are so many different variations you can do of this. It is very colorful, fun, and whimsical. Stay tuned for the step-by-step steps. Let me do that part over. Stay tuned for this easy to follow tutorial. All right, let's get this party popping. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the bottom row, and that is going to be a quad of 5 inches. So we're going to go ahead. Okay, so throughout this design, you're going to only be using 5-inch balloons inflated to 4 inches and 11-inch balloons inflated to 8 inches. I have chosen 4 colors, but you feel free to select whatever colors you prefer, considering the event's color scheme and the mood that you would like to set. As always, remember, you are the designer, so have fun. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start with the purple and white. So start with the bottom row, and we're going to lock that in. Okay? So then once that's done, I'm going to start with my pattern. So I'm going to go with my purple and my white, just like that. So this is, you have a quad. So that's 2 11 inches inflated to 8 inches and 2 5 inches inflated to 4 inches, okay? So put those 2 doubles together and you have a quad, looks like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on, and I'm going to lock that in. Okay, so you're going to have a spiral of the white going in this direction. Okay, so then the next quad will be 5 inches, and that's going to be blue and white. Okay, and then I want the white to be here. So when I put this on my pole, I'm going to press down, and then I'm going to wrap 1 time. And so my blue is with my blue, and my white is with my white. So then the next row is going to be the 11 inches. And then so my pattern is blue, and then I'm using a wild berry. So I have a wild berry and a pearl white, and with 2 5-inch light blue. That's going to be my quad. So again, 2 11 inches, 2 5 inches, 11 inches inflated to 8 inches, 5 inches inflated to 4 inches. So I go ahead and put that there, push down, and I'm going to twist twice because I want to keep my spiral. So if you look, now I have my white spiral going here and my blue going here. It's really not a spiral, but I'm going to call it a spiral because to me it is similar to when I'm doing a spiral column. So we have white and then we have blue. So then the next row is going to be my 5 inches. So we know that we're going to need 1 2 3 4. We're going to need a blue and a wild berry. Okay. So I want my blue here, so I'm going to put it here so I can twist it. Push down and twist. So I have my blue going all in the same direction, and now I'm starting with my wild berry. Okay, and so I have 4 colors here. So I have a pale blue, a wild berry, and then I have a what's my other color? 1 2. It's only 4. It's 4 colors. 1 2 3 4. That's the only colors you're working with. But when I go to the next row, I'm going to rotate. So the next one is going to be purple and blue, but the purple is going to be on this side. Okay, now I know it's not going to be this one because I already put this together. So I need the purple with the blue. So I'm going to put my purple here with my wild berry here and my blue here because everything is touching. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And we're going to do this all the way up the pole. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. Here's a tip for you with this design. Periodically stand back and take a look at your work. Life does happen. I got distracted, and as you see closer to the top, I mixed the colors. So be sure to periodically stand back so that you don't have to take it apart and put it back together. Finally, we have completed this fun, colorful, and whimsical flat column. Have fun with it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit that like button. Consider subscribing. Remember, you are the designer. All right, thank you so much for watching. Happy decorating. Bye, y'all. Okay, so I've added a 3-foot topper to this flat column just to give you an idea as to what it looks like. In my opinion, I would never add a topper to this because it's not very stable. I mean, it is sitting up there on your 5-inch balloon. So if it's indoors, you can get away with it, but outdoors, definitely not. And personally, I don't think I would ever add a 3-footer to that because, as you see, it's very wobbly. But it's a personal choice because, as always, you are the designer.